when me look on Puss and Pato, me have to wonder if it's true to rascal if I them do go turn Pato for true because me can't send two sit in favor so right. Puss is a fucking reptile. The lion, the tiger, all of them. Yes, man.
If you have a matic and wave to looking at the pocket, you have a license plate of why ramp on our friend for buses.
Big up PJable TV. Big up PJable TV.
You have some man, you know, doctor, if you ring them, you know.
Me hear about that, but me never see no man with no ring, you know, me ready. Me only hear about them sitting there.
Why you?
And like me see it, me see man show me on their phone in a book, you know. Me mean on their phone, you know.
Yeah, you have a youth in my area, man. Them have to ring him and you're killing woman.
But me don't know about that if I truth, my brother. You know, put on ring from bumbo cloth. I me never say that. In minor lie, people I tell people with terms, with things we not know what say, you know, right? That me born consider them, you know, I talk some things that cannot be proved, my rascal, you know, man. Seeing people them lie, man. Lie bad because me never see no man with ring over them cocky and mama blood clot. Me see one boy I show me phone with one say and me I say them they look like camera chick like a development entertainment. Me see all one them I show me with him who don't I need only donkey to mama rascal. Me have to wonder say wait. Then I walk one, no seeking car, my God, The man would. They don't I need no restaurant, no start up yet, no, my brethren, man. Me bumbo class.
Maybe told that the bigger don't I need, maybe not even can get up.
That me I say to me, brethren, because when me say too powerful, no rascal trend, right?
Maybe not have enough blood to lift up that.
And that because your blood has here float or you know, man, to push out that in there. So I thought you're right, boy. Cause me I kind of hear them sitting me otherwise say when man would oversize, he don't no strength or rascal, you know, and I little with them bad, you know. Yes.
When we are boy, you know, then you used to say if you take your thing and beat it a papa tree, it get big, you know. And a whole heap of youth used to do that.
I hear about that, but me no hear again when if you reach the size where you want it, you have to chop down the papa tree too.
You have to cut the papa tree.
You have to chop it down.
That's what me hear.
Yes, when you reach the size where you want. And you say you have to chop down the papa tree, and if you make it there and grow big, I said we get big, that you can't manage it. So, I fight all the man night blood clot for me, I say do. Right? You understand? And I fight him, but though, I make it get up on him. Right? And I'm like, man. Well, I mean, I tell you, but them things, nobody now really try to ask, because even don't know what is the back effect, because them for me, boy, I made them say, if you take all the rice water and wash your face, your goes. And me want to know if you take the rice water and start it goes, oh, you have to stop it now. So everybody no more than afraid to do that, no, right?
True. Then say if you have to sit up with you take dog matter put in your eye.
To catch the blood clot rabies when you have, right? Lord my God, then you never catch it off your eye. What a wicked people, man. They are them blood clot idiot them, man. Right?
That's what they say.
Oh my God.
If you have to sit up you take dog matter put in your eye.
But no fucker that, man, because the dog born with rabies. It's the yellow thing will come out and who dead, you know. I hit the rabies, you know. And if you should take that the yellow matter with dog having a female and putting up your eye corner, Jesus God, you must catch the blood clot bacteria, you know, right?
So you
have to catch it in your eye now, so.
You wouldn't try it?
All them the advise, man, me no idiot. Me would nobody now do them they sit there, man. Right?
That's
lie.
So me hear master.
Then me no boy, me no yes, if you name a locust and you choke your hog city up in your mal and fuckery.
And that me hear say if you damn be thinking to a locust and you choke
Yes.
you have to know about shit for clear.
Right on the fuckery. Oh, wax it sting bees and God Almighty. My God. So, all people have some bumbo class phrase, man. Where them their wickedness here, man.
A whole heap of people don't know locust still, you know.
Oh, yeah, I say.
A whole heap of people, because people hardly eat locusts no more.
You know, come on, sitting, man, a bags up and bags of them, me see people a sell and all them things there. But some maybe don't know it true, you know, right?
You see,
Some maybe, why it stink to rascal, though, you know, me say, make me eat it, you know, but why? I don't know that the same thing they carry, that the same thing, boys. That's why they call it thinking to a stink to ras, you know. You can't hide near me and go among somebody and they don't know, you know.
You have to have whole heap of saliva in your mouth feet that way, so you choke if you chew.
They know that make them attack them fuckers say which okay look like, right? I truth, man, it thirsty your fuck.
Yes, man.
It dry.
A pure dust, you know.
A pure dust, you know, sir, but me say that's strong drink, you know.
Me say it's very good, you know.
Yeah, like you get some new thing funny.
Yes, man. You see, because the time gets so modern and the youth them in them phone and them tablet, a lot of them no go bush go look no go shoot bird and go look mango and them thing there. So they now go back up and thinking to a tree, you know.
Yeah. Look like all them shit that's scarce to in a full time like them things they did more. Come on, me no know. Me no hardly see them tree them more and so.
What about jackfruit? You like jackfruit?
Yeah, man, I want something when me love. Me love it, you know. Me love jackfruit. But when they said it's stain, the bad no ras, you know, man.
They say we buy it, you know.
Me never hear that.
Yeah, man, they say if you eat the belly out with the stain, we buy it, you.
Oh, by God, boy.
And the same
stain heavy to ras, though, boy.
And the same starapple stain, they then say we buying you too.
Then that me hear them and say what me never see happen to nobody. To all this fucking thing then gummy white people are turned it that way. Cause this terraplane have a ras gum that you know when you go on your mouth lip and you lock your two mouth lips when the mind sharp behind they can't open. Right? Yes, man, all the jackfruit I same thing. So with them half full gum there where them possess. Maybe I make people that say we buying your ass, but I never hear nobody where go doctor and say terraple or jackfruit buying them and all them fuck, right? People turn things, you know, as card into thing they manifest because when me look on Puss and Pato, me have to wonder if it's true to rascal if I them go turn Pato for true because me can't send two things in favor, so, right? Me say things them favor bad, you know. Right? Oh, me look and say,
true, yeah, dog.
I don't lie, man. Me never say two something favor so me brethren, man. That me have to say, me have in myself, me have to wonder and I say, one day if and maybe I just took them favor so people I tell lie pan the bomb up like Puss no say I'm go turn them, you know, right? But we can't prove that, right? But what me I say it no impossible when me see butterfly, a caterpillar. But bust out wing to rascal and bust out them the breed of foot there. Right? Then again, the frog picnic them. When they little in the water, they have tail.
Tadpole.
And by then turn big. You don't know where tail disappear to.
But
right?
You know say even human being in the early stage of development as fetus in their mother's womb, they have tail too.
All that me only have to listen to you.
Yes,
But me can't
seriously.
prove of that.
Seriously, human being, when them start developing at their mother's womb as a fetus, the fetus have tail and so till the tail disappear.
And me like say every one of them start build as woman. And when you reach certain stage, nature choose if a pussy or a hood. He forget. But me say when they start that just start develop, every one of them develop as girl picnic.
That's your year.
Mm-hmm. And when you reach certain stage in the belly, then nature choose which one of them if a hood if get her pussy.
Well, me never hear of that one day. Me don't go know say them have to wait till 5 months before you can tell if a boy or a girl. You can't know if a boy or a girl before that the time.
I must see them the time that the ancestor. Right.
Yeah.
And them the time the ancestor. True, yeah, talk. Then at them the 5 months time before you can know. Because one of them they start develop as woman. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
You that alligator tail?
Eh?
You that eat alligator tail, you that eat it. A lot of people eat it up here.
Alligator tail.
Mm.
Where them thing they feed pan, brother?
You know, say them big reptile there are other smaller animal them feed pan, you know.
Then you no can eat them?
People eat alligator tail up here, man.
Oh, they're not big fish.
I don't fish that, man. That's a reptile.
Then everything when you have the one head on a reptile to rascal, man, right? Because pussies are fucking reptile. The lion, the tiger, all of them. Yes, man.
Wait, say puss is a reptile?
Then know you mean in can and you have the live rascal shit like himself. And when get them the heart from man, right? Then yeah, the lion, no reptile because my eat the other sitting them in a man, right? The tiger also.
No, they're not a reptile,
yeah,
man.
So.
They are mammal. Reptile are cold-blooded animal, you know.
Then them they sit no cold-blooded same way, my brother, man. I feed up on another animal, man, same like the fucking shark, right? yeah. So the shark only same skin tough and him big.
You ever taste fall if them have egg?
No.
You see
me see people do it. But I say that's a common assault because me see people do it and you really know what I do, right? Yeah, man. But me never really do it. Me see people do it, you know. Right?
Mm-hmm.
But they must say when fowl have egg, it's soft, it come out soft. Me can't believe that. Right? Me can't believe that.
Me not believe either.
They say when. No, so they must say when ear catch it.
It get hard.
It turn hard. Mm-hmm. But me see fowl just lay egg. And I didn't lay it not tough, man. Me not see it soft one. No lie, people are telling us that.
Me see fowl just lay egg and when you touch it tough.
You know that me I say my brethren, right? But the trickiest thing about this fucking egg now, look how that egg soft and easy for broke. And if you ever put it pint to pint in your hand,
you can't broke it.
You could broke your ass. What is that? Tell me.
Me try it already, and no matter how me push it, me can't broke it.
Jesus Christ, me not try it too, man. And it breed that strength when me put on the damn thing, you see. Broke what, man? And if you turn it flat way, you know,
It broke easy.
quick, it bust, yes. Right? So all them chicken, lot of people don't know my brethren say, if you go out in the sun, go stand up and you look on your shoulder and count to all 10. I look up in the air. You see a picture of you up on the sky. Yes, man, when the sun out, man, if you go in there, sun go stand up and look on your shoulder.
And count 10.
Count to 10 and look up. Yes, I look up now the blue sky.
I go try
you see
it.
your picture print. Yes, if you think I like try it, you go see your print out up there.
So you believe people should eat raw egg? Some people eat raw egg. Do you ever eat it?
Eat what?
Raw egg.
Yes, them say good, you know, but the rawness that me cannot manage it neither, you know. Me can't manage the rawness there, sir.
Me can't manage
Me see
either.
people mix it up. Me see people mix it up and tap them breath and slope it down. But me not like it and one thing when me see them call oysters.
Yeah, oyster.
Take knife and scrape it up and put pepper on it and I swallow it down without it cook. Me no, my spirit don't like that neither.
Them say good for the hood, you know, good for the sex drive.
So then say brethren, but if they could cook and boil soup, me don't drink the soup. But the raw thing there, my spirit cannot manage it.
Me can't swallow it down so either.
No, sir. My spirit cannot manage it. That's no, my spirit just turn does against that, you know. While me see some man just slope them down. Just slope them down and I say good thing cocky road. My old road now go tram that way they coming on ya, me know, right? No, sir. Right.
Yeah, man.
Because me don't know why make some man insist to make him wood road strong. And the fucking thing say anyway you see pleasure there the problem like waiting on your ass. Right? Yeah, anyway you see comfort, right?
Maybe what
yeah, and we ban what?
Maybe what if you overperform?
No, so people stay man crave anything when I get pleasure and comfort. I hit him and follow up. And I know right that the problem lie. Because when we born all long we shouldn't make the first broke all now. We couldn't dead. A home 10 years had them did in the garden and can't dead. And when he fuck him now, God tell him say man him pick me I got dead. But him couldn't dead. Many life man have.
You ever ride on a bus carrier yet up where they carry back them? You ever ride up there, sir?
Bus carrier, you stay there to rascal. You never ride up there, but me ride up on the truck top and then load it to the cane, you know, man. Right? And me say, I get you from a rascal that one day, my God, 2 hours, you know, man. Me say, man, the same dread way, this year, Michael, you know, man. Me say, we are going to send me for the cane top up on it. And me say, Rasa, when we reach Summerfield Bridge, we said, Jesus, God, we dead now to rascal, so we can't come down from up there so fast. And he reached near the bridge. And me say, brother, if you tumble down in the blood clot, cane tap and dig out a hole fast. And go down in there. Go lay down. And when you reach the bridge, me hold down my head and lay down flat. That it no creep me off. And me say creep off couple piece of cane over my head. Well, Michael did, and so we escaped it. Because when I remember about the bridge, you know, my virgin man said I go pass so near up on I bridge top, you know, man.
So close to the bridge top, man?
Yes. Yes, yes, close. But me lucky. We lucky the day we done creep we have we done dead. Right? Oh, cause see me started dead in the panic outside and pass on a minor bridge there. And me to squeeze him rascal against the iron and drop him off, you know, and he's dead. He's dead. Yes, man, so me never drive up on the bus stop there, though. Me never drive up there because if you drive up there, then we beat out the rascal, tell people and something you want to have, you know, right? That's no people, you know, right? When the bus drive off, you know, you run it down and happy and go up there, man, and show off the people and sitting and take time, come down and hop off my bus again when the bus slow down, right? And go and take up the people and sitting when show off, you know, man. So, a man who like to see up there, then we beat you, say, you're a thief, you know, right?
So, you ever sell peanut pan on of them bus there?
Yes, man, I always sell peanut pan and meal pen, you know. Spanish town too. Yeah, so me started to sell peanut, you know.
Okay.
One bread, you know, named Keith. One rasta named Keith. Then give me peanuts to go sell. And one night time, me don't sell off the peanut. And go see Crown and Anchor, man. And say me I go take the man money, see if me can catch something. I'm going to lose the first money. And I start set it up bigger now to see if I can catch back the first money when I lose. I lose the second money. Lord have mercy, God. I fasting down now, I can't leave. Actually, half of the man money gone now and then. I carry man money go give him. And I did it. And I try to see if I can win back. Until me lose the man money, you know, my birthday. And when me look at the man and tell him, say, I beg him, I said, the man says me can't bear loses when me gamble for, right? Well, I me turn fool in the rest. Me no go up harm, you know. Me no go back up the rest of me hide and then he did that dear man hunt down for me. Hunt for me after that man myself. Popcorn and peanut. If they not see me. The man start to tell life and me say me go take him money buy pussy and everything. Me not do no the man don't know which part what me do, you know, right? And I that the man ain't gonna tell the man, right? So one of them named Blackberry say he might buy me 1 dozen popcorn and me sell it and go buy back and sell it and see if me can come back the man money and can go give man, you know, right? Because man I want me. And he buy me 1 dozen popcorn and me did I hustle. And me hustle them off and go buy a next 1.5 dozen. And I see if me can build up. And Keith come back me down a mere pen, I sell the popcorn. And take away in basket and take away the popcorn where left all the money where me have. Allow me, you know. Allow me. God make him come see me a hustle still. I try to make up back the money and get back something, you know.
Yeah, man.
In take away basket and take away popcorn where me have and the money where me have.
Then Crown,
me,
then,
you know.
Then Crown and Anchor and 3 card man, them original, you know. They will make you cry.
What an a lie tell, man. They know we make you fast and down and can't go home, man. See?
Me see them make big man and big woman cry already.
You think a lie tell? Eh? God, my God, me say my brethren, when you are winning now, You're not hungry now.
May I tell you?
Jesus God. And when you win with everything now, when you look at my glass case, it keep them get bigger now. All the bread them start grow. Right? And you know, see them, when you in the win, have your money, it keep them look little. And so when you lose off everything now, when you look on the cake, them that glass case, then get bigger.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Hungry kill you. Well, me not like gamble, my virgin.
No, sir.
Me not like gamble. No, me not like that something there, you know. Me not like lose. Better if we win, me win $5.
Yes,
More
man.
than go after $100.
Like,
lose.
me know this guy, you know. Him play cash pot. This a maybe like around 18 years ago. Or 17 years ago. About them region there. Him play cash pot. And the man win, I think, 130,000. And the man put back the whole $130,000. It's called gamble still. Put back the whole of it because he want to win bigger and him sure say him a go win. And him lose the whole $130,000. Them the man a gambler.
Gambler, man, listen, and everybody can handle money in my brain. You see a certain money and down into certain people. He turn fool to rascal, he start walk around and buy whole and friend them things and start gamble and buy pussy and do some breed that sitting where no call for. Just see money done, you know. And when the money done, in come back normal. But from him have certain money in his position. In take sick to rascal, in take sick. It's not until it's done before him feel back comfortable, my brother, saying the money, it take conscious people to hunger money in my brother. Because everybody say easy come, easy go.
Mm-hmm.
If I work, you work. If I work, you work for your money. And it take you months and years to save it. You will be careful with it.
Yes, man.
But if I just win, you win it. When you about easy come, easy go. If you're not mind sharp, you win too much, 100,000, and in this place all 3 months. Rascal, you couldn't believe that the man squander half the whole life money and give to and take it to be foolishness and turn fool with it. Yeah.
And if I work hard, you work hard for you protect it. That's not done out and run out for you so easy.
Yes. If a months and years it take you for work, you will be careful with it. But when you go easy come, easy go. It's really truth. A lot of people win money and they find money too. And they breed that money when they find. In turn, fool with it. He say, anyhow, and keep that money and make them find out time have it. They will kill him. So the best thing for him to do is to give it up.
For real, man.
Because he don't know if he take it, do you know?
True.
Right? Yeah, he don't know if he take it, do like for rent a gas station or for a smoke my shop or all them way there. Him no advance in them things and the money turn him in an idiot and he will carry go get up.